Most people land in St. Maarten thinking they know exactly what they want. A beach, a drink, maybe some snorkeling. But here's the problem. Every single tour promises the same turquoise water and the same open bar. Today I am ranking the 10 best things to do in Anguilla and St. Maarten, so you stop guessing and start planning. Number 10. Island Experience of St. Maarten, St. Maarten. Before you spend a single dollar crossing over to Anguilla, you need to understand the island you are already standing on. The Island Experience of St. Maarten and St. Maarten is a 4-hour guided tour that covers both sides of this divided island in one clean sweep. You stop at Oyster Pond, where the two territories meet at the water. You visit the Marigot Market on the French side, where a Lady Liberty monument sits in a roundabout that most tourists walk right past. And then there is Maho Beach, where commercial jets fly directly over your head at landing. It sounds absurd. It is absurd, and it is completely worth seeing. The tour runs $55 per adult, includes a guide, soft drink, bottled water, and an air-conditioned vehicle, and stays intimate at a maximum of 15 travelers. Not the most adventurous entry on this list, but the smartest first move you can make. Number 9. Night kayaking in clear kayaks. Now, what if the most unforgettable hour of your entire trip happens after the sun goes down? Night kayaking in clear kayaks is the only nighttime experience on this entire list, and it earns its spot for exactly that reason. You paddle through Anguilla's dark waters in a transparent kayak, while phosphorescence lights up around you. The water glows, the stars are out, and you are sitting inside what feels like a glass boat floating through a galaxy. This is not a group party cruise. It is quiet, intimate, and completely different from everything else on this list. At $110 per adult, it is one of the more affordable, unique experiences available, and with a maximum of only 9 travelers, it books out fast. If you are traveling as a couple or a small group looking for something that does not feel like a tourist conveyor belt, this one is for you. Number 8. Mambo Sail Catamaran. Not every great day on the water has to be loud. The Mambo Sail Catamaran is the most relaxed way to reach Anguilla on this entire list, and that is exactly why it made the cut. You board at Simpson Bay Resort Marina at 9 in the morning, barefoot, shoes stored in a basket at the dock. The catamaran makes a swim stop at Cove Bay first, then sails on to Rendezvous Bay, 2 miles of powdery white sand with views of St. Maarten across the water. Lunch is served on board, the open bar is running. And when the food settles, you can walk the full length of that beach if you want to. At $135 per adult with a maximum of 25 travelers, this stays genuinely small. Here's a quick question for the comments. Are you a catamaran sailor or a speedboat person? Drop it below. Number 7. Prickly Pear Catamaran Trip. If the Mambo is the quiet option, this is the social one. The Prickly Pear Catamaran trip boards the Lambada at Simpson Bay and sails north to one of Anguilla's most beautiful offshore cays. Prickly Pear. Think uninhabited coastline, shallow turquoise water, white sand, and a reef worth exploring. The open bar runs the entire day, a full buffet lunch is served on board, and port fees are already included in the price. No surprise costs at checkout. Check-in opens at 8 in the morning and closes at 8:30 sharp for immigration clearance, so do not be the person who shows up late and misses the boat. Literally. At $135 per adult, this sits at the same price point as the Mambo, but delivers a bigger group energy with up to 65 travelers on board. Best for solo travelers and groups who want built-in social atmosphere. Number 6. Anguilla Getaway Cruise. Here is where the pace picks up. The Anguilla Getaway Cruise runs on a powerboat, which means you are not drifting between stops, you are moving. The itinerary covers Little Bay, Sandy Island, and Meads Bay, including a stop at the famous floating bar inside the Anguilla Marine Park. Freshly made sandwiches, fruit, chips, and dessert are served on board at midday, and the open bar runs throughout. At $149 per adult, it sits just above the catamaran options, but the speed and the stop variety justify the difference. Worth knowing, this tour is not available to cruise ship passengers due to time constraints, and it requires a minimum of 8 travelers to run. If the minimum is not met, you will be offered an alternative or a full refund. For first-timers who want to cover the most ground in a single day without going private, this is a serious contender. Number 5. Private full-day cruise of St. Maarten and Anguilla. Halfway through this list, and the experiences are getting more personal. The private full-day cruise covers both St. Maarten and Anguilla on a single private vessel, meaning only your group on board all day. The captain builds the itinerary around your interests and the weather, with possible snorkeling stops at Tintamare, Creel Rock, and Prickly Pear. There is a swim stop at Rendezvous Bay and a lunch break at Pinnell Island, where 2 open-air restaurants sit right on the sand. The open bar runs all day, and snorkeling equipment is included. Starting at $1,750 per group of up to 10 people, the per-person math gets reasonable fast if you are traveling with family or friends. Note that the Anguilla tax and Rendezvous Bay entrance fee runs an additional $35 per person paid separately. If you are ready to experience these things, I have linked the best current flight and hotel deals in the description below to help you book for less. Number 4. Anguilla in Style. 4 beaches, 1 day, 1 very fast boat. Anguilla in Style runs on a 40 to 50-foot speedboat and covers Sandy Island, Little Bay, Meads Bay, and Rendezvous Bay in a single shared excursion. Sandy Island is a remote sandbar ringed by coral reef. Little Bay is a secluded cove that most visitors never find on their own. Meads Bay brings the calm, clear water and the luxury beach vibes. And Rendezvous Bay closes the day with panoramic views of St. Maarten stretching across the horizon. Gourmet sandwiches, beer, rum, sodas, and snorkeling gear are all included. At $149 per adult, this delivers serious variety for the price. One thing to sort before you book: immigration and clearance fees run $25 per person in cash only, and your passport is non-negotiable. No passport, no trip. Plan accordingly, and this one is hard to beat for first-timers who want it all in one shot. Number 3. Full-day Anguilla Private Charter Tour. This is where the list shifts from great to exceptional. The full-day Anguilla Private Charter puts you on a private boat with a seasoned captain who shapes the entire day around what you actually want to do. The signature route covers Rendezvous Bay, Crocus Bay, Sandy Island, and Prickly Pear, but that itinerary is yours to reshape before you ever leave the dock. Snorkeling gear, paddleboards, and a floating mat are all on board. The open bar includes beers, sodas, rosé, and white wine. Starting at $1,715 per group of up to 10 people, this is comparable in price to number 5. But the difference is the depth of customization and the intimate scale. Dock fees run $35 per person paid separately. If you have a group of 6 or more, the per-person cost becomes genuinely competitive with the shared tours lower on this list. That is not a coincidence. It is just good math. Number 2, Boomerang's Best of Anguilla. Almost at number 1, and this one is going to make that decision genuinely difficult. Boomerang's Best of Anguilla runs on a spacious catamaran cruising at 15 to 20 knots, stable enough that even travelers who get nervous on smaller boats tend to relax quickly. The headline attraction is the Turtle Encounters, snorkeling in waters where wild sea turtles are a realistic expectation, not a marketing promise. The captain selects 3 stops from 6 possible locations, including Little Bay, Shoal Bay, Prickly Pear, Meads Bay, Mondays Bay, and Rendezvous Bay, based on weather and sea conditions that day. A BBQ lunch on board includes jerk and curry chicken skewers, garlic shrimp, Greek pasta salad, and garlic bread. Paddleboards, a floating lily pad mat, and a tropical fruit platter round out the day. At $169 per adult, this is the best value large group experience on this entire list. One important note: submit your passport information within 48 hours of booking or your spot is not confirmed. Number 1. Yacht Yes Darling. Nothing on this list comes close. Yacht Yes Darling is a 20-meter open yacht designed in Italian style and decorated around the theme of the legendary Porsche 917 racing car. That detail alone tells you everything about the kind of experience this is. The yacht covers all 3 islands, St. Maarten, St. Barthélemy, and Anguilla, in a single private charter, with anchorages ranging from hidden coves to the iconic harbor at Gustavia. Breakfast, a fresh fruit platter, premium open bar including champagne, rosé, vodka, tequila, whiskey, and rum, floating mattresses, snorkeling gear, and a Bluetooth sound system are all included. Starting at $6,387 per group of up to 12 people, this is unambiguously the luxury option. Half-day and full-day formats are available. If your group is splitting the cost, the per-person number becomes a very different conversation. This is not just a boat trip. This is the day you fly home talking about. Anguilla is not short on options, it is short on clarity. Now you have both. Whether you are splitting a private charter with friends or booking a solo seat on a catamaran, the right experience for you is already on this list. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.